Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Messages and pick who you want a message. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is working and that settings privacy microphone allows messages to record. Once ready, press and hold the microphone icon at the right of the text field. This begins the recording immediately. You do this because holding starts live capture with minimal latency, quick, private, and personal. Don't waste time. Begin your message and speak naturally into the bottom of the phone. Continue by choosing whether to hold for a short clip or to swipe up and lock the recorder for a longer message. Locking frees your hands so you can think. While recording, you can see waveform feedback. Speak clearly toward the mic. Once done, release to send instantly or tap the play button to preview and confirm the content. If you change your mind, swipe left or tap the X to delete. Make sure to add any text context before sending, since text clarifies intent. Final steps. Tap the send arrow and the audio message is delivered. The recipient taps play to listen. Once sent, note that messages may auto-expire audio after 2 minutes. Tap keep to preserve important clips. If the recorder won't work, check settings privacy microphone to enable access for messages, restart the app, and verify storage space. These fixes resolve most problems. If issues persist, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches, and then try recording again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.